वीरों की गाथा सुनाने, देश प्रेम सबके मन में जगाने लेकर आए हैं कृष और बाल्टी बॉय। भारत है
Chocolate!
Oh wow, chocolate!
Wow! Hey, stop! Hey, I saw it first.
I saw it.
Hmm,
I said I saw it.
chocolate.
I said I saw it.
Both are fighting for the same chocolate.
Hey, I saw
Buddy
it.
Krish, if you want to have it too, then you will have to play up some tricks for it.
Okay, Trish, let's do chocolate 50-50.
Okay, 50-50.
Ah, there comes my chance. No, stop, Balti boy.
What happened, Krish?
It's a great injustice happening here.
Injustice?
Trish, Balti boy's bite is bigger than yours. So chocolate won't be divided 50-50, but 80-20. And you can understand who will get 80 and who will get 20, huh? Now give me the chocolate. I will divide it 50-50.
Hey, you will not divide. You will divide and loot us, just like the British.
I am your friend, Trish. Have faith in me.
Yeah, just like us Indians did on the friendship of the British.
No, not all Indians. There were few freedom fighters like Tilka Manjhi, who had sensed the Britishers' divide and rule policy and started to rebel against them.
Tilka Manjhi. Who was Tilka Manjhi?
Hey Sanskriti, story mode on.
Tilka Manjhi was a tribal who lived in the Santhal Paragna. Tilka was born in 1750 and at the age of just 13, he became the Manjhi of his village, that is, the head of his village.
In 1770's long famine, the Santhal Pargana was also hit by drought. The indigenous tribe and their animals living there suffered starvation. But the British government only took advantage of this situation and forcibly seized the lands of those who couldn't pay the taxes.
Pay your taxes, or else give away the land. Apologies, my lord.
While the British committed so many atrocities, a spark of rebellion was kindling within Tilka Manjhi. He started conducting guerrilla attacks on the Britishers and rescued his fellow tribals. Once, when a unit of British soldiers was brutalizing the tribals, he struck his arrow into a beehive. The bee stung the soldiers so intensely that they somehow managed to save themselves and escape.
Superb, Tilka. Saw that, Chandan? When we all strike together on these foreigners, just like these bees, it will be easier to drive them away.
Who's all? Rest of the Manjis. You are the youngest Manji, Tilka. No one will listen to you.
After listening to this, Tilka Manjhi decided to convene a meeting with all the other Manjis. The Manjis at the meeting had delegated Rathinji to be the representative.
Those who do not pay taxes are punished by law.
Rathinji, doubling the tax in times of drought, selling our grains to us at 10 times the price. This is nothing but loot. If we don't stop them today, then soon they will take over the entire forest.
Their cannons brought many great kings and emperors to kneel. And now you are saying that you will stop them, huh?
Yes. Tomorrow me and my comrades will snatch back our grains from the Britishers and bring them back. You all should support us too.
Brothers, Tilka is still very young and naive. Do not pay much attention to his words. Come on, let's go.
Rathinji dismissed and disbursed all the other Manjis at the meeting. But Tilka was not bothered by this setback. He called his small guerrilla unit and said,
At the crack of dawn, before the grains reach the warehouse, we will loot them. Hul, 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 hul!
When the Britishers were moving the confiscated grains to the warehouse, Tilka Manjhi and his unit attacked them. The attack led to a lot of casualties for the Britishers. Tilka Manjhi and his unit successfully took control of all the grains and then distributed them among all the villagers.
Without your help, we all would have starved to death, Tilka.
The grand military success of Tilka made Rathinji realize his mistake of not agreeing with him, and so he came to meet him.
Please forgive me, Tilka. From now on, we'll do as you say, Tilka.
When the stories of Tilka's audacious attacks reached the headquarters of the East India Company in Kolkata, Governor General Warren Hastings was stunned.
Who's this Tilka Manjhi? He's the Manjhi that is the head of the small village. Governor General, I say we should make friendship with these indigenous people. It will be easier to control them.
No, Augustus. That will take a lot of time. If Tilka Manjhi is not punished soon enough, many Indians will also start attacking us. Get hold of Tilka Manjhi now!
Soon after the orders of Governor General Warren Hastings, the British forces were called to action and started to search for Tilka Manjhi.
Where is Tilka?
I don't know, my lord.
While the British were looking for Tilka Manjhi in the forests of Santhal Pargana, on the other hand, Tilka Manjhi started training an army of his people in the forests and started looting the British. This was the beginning of Tilka Manjhi's freedom struggle against the British. Tilka Manjhi was preparing to take another big step that would shake the roots of British rule. He and many units of his new army attacked the Britishers' cantonment at Ramgarh. The Britishers suffered a lot of casualties in the attack. Tilka Manjhi successfully captured the cantonment. When things were about to get out of control for the Britishers, they played a cunning trick.
These indigenous people have become a pain in the neck. They have captured Ramgarh cantonment. Augustus, how do we control them?
There is only one method, sir. Divide and rule.
Augustus was enticing the tribals with job offerings.
I am creating an indigenous platoon in which only indigenous will get jobs.
What jobs?
Yes. We will train indigenous boys for the company army and give them a salary too.
Salary?
And not only that, I'm reducing the taxes on the Manjis from today.
Chandan heard what Augustus was announcing to the tribals in the village, and then he went straight to Tilka and Manjis to inform them about it.
Manjis are considering Augustus as their ally. They're sending boys to his platoon and are taking money in return.
So what is wrong with that? For how long we have to watch our kids starve to death? We should stop this rebellion nonsense and we all should join Augustus' platoon, Tilka.
Radhin ji, try to understand what he's doing. He will lure us with money and on the other hand, he will take over our land.
This is a good idea, Tilka. Why don't you give us the money? Let's leave.
After saying this, Rathinji leaves from there with many other tribals.
Please stop! Not them. Augustus Cleveland has to be stopped.
After waiting for the right time, Tilka Manjhi is successful in killing Augustus Cleveland. After Augustus Cleveland's death, the British played another trick. And in the greed of money, Rathin Manjhi showed the bases of Tilka to them. The Britishers finally catch Tilka Manjhi and drag him away to Bhagalpur. In the middle of a square at Bhagalpur, the Britishers publicly committed atrocities on Tilka Manjhi.
Beat me as much as you want. But remember this. If not today, then some other day. If not me, then some other son of the forest will rise. And he will free this motherland from your evil oppression and teach all of you a lesson.
Hang him to death! Right now!
Hul hul! Hul hul!
And then, right there in that square, Tilka Manjhi was publicly hanged. On that day, Tilka did not die, But the freedom struggle was born.
That's right, Trish. Tilka Manjhi is a big hero in our freedom struggle. One of his statues has been erected in his honor in Bhagalpur Square, where he was hanged. And Bhagalpur University has also been renamed as Tilka Manjhi Bhagalpur University.
He made such a huge sacrifice. And why can't I sacrifice this chocolate? Here, Trish, you only take this chocolate.
Okay, give me.
Huh? She really took it.
We will divide the chocolate in 4 pieces.
And for whom is this fourth part?
For a mouse battalion. Long live Tilka Manjhi. Say it proudly.
भारत है हम
Hey guys, if you enjoyed listening to this story a lot, then you will definitely have more fun watching it.
Watch Krish Trish Balti Boy Bharat Hai Hum every Sunday at 11 a.m. on Doordarshan.
And our streaming partners are Amazon Prime Video and Netflix. Stay tuned.